Say goodbye to those old cement blocks. There's an easier, faster, better way to create above-ground decks, platforms, and projects. Introducing the better floating foundation, Camo Block. Cement blocks are cool if you want to spend your day lifting weights. But if you want to speed up your project, have it last longer, and be stronger, then you need Camo Block. It's lightweight. While cement blocks weigh 40 pounds each, the Camo Block only weighs 2.16 pounds. That means one trip to the store, one to the truck, one to the job site, and just plain easy to move around. It's stronger. Cement blocks are rated to hold 1,700 pounds. Camo Block, 1,800 pounds. And durable. Camo Block has a 30-year warranty. These UV-protected blocks won't chip, crack, or corrode, and have holes to drain water, preventing rot and mold. And when it comes to versatility, Camo Block is the Swiss Army knife of deck blocks. It works with 4x4 and 6x6 posts, as well as 2x4, 2x6, 2x8 wood joists, and those new 2-inch metal joists. Cement blocks are either too loose for your wood or too tight and have to be chiseled. That's more work for you. The block is precision designed and molded for a secure fit every time. Can cement blocks say they're responsible? No, but Camo Block can. It's made from recycled material and can be recycled at the end of its life. Whether you're building a floating deck, rooftop deck, landing, walkway, shed, or even a doghouse, there's no better floating foundation. Do yourself a favor. Build easier, faster, and better using the Camo Block. Camo, the better way to build a deck.